what's going on, guys? Today I'm back with another video. Today, excuse the background, okay? I don't have my glasses on because I didn't wear my glasses at all today. I know I should have done this earlier, but the whole fidget spinner collection from 2016, 2017, no, 2017. These are 2017, 2018. Yeah, my first ever fidget spinner that's broken. A red fidget spinner that's broken. Doesn't do anything. Yeah, it only spins, but it's wobbly. My second one, this gold metallic fidget spinner. I love this one. This gold metallic fidget spinner. I just want to do this because I don't have a video idea. I believe this was my third one. The Seahawks one. I love this one too. It's so amazing. My fourth one was the small fidget spinner. It's kind of heavy. Yeah, this. Wait. Alright, okay. It's again. My last fidget spinner. It's one I got from Seaside. It's a pink fidget spinner. Pink one. And all of my Lego houses that I built today. My dad built one too. It's got a car in it. It's got a Lego car in it. Car. It's lame. And I get it. Okay, it's lame, but. And here's Diamond Steve and all the supplies. I just shook. Comment down below which one was the best. I think both of ours is. I'm planning to do a house tour, but apparently I've been lacking on that lately. Oh yeah, and this is my case. I got these two pop sockets. This one's broken. This one's not broken. Well, technically this one works. It's just that right here it comes off, and then right here it comes off. Here, I'll show you. Take this thing off. I can take this thing off. And if I this. There, this part can come off. This part can come off too. If I can get it off. If I can get it off, that would be great. I forgot how to get it off. Oh, this is huge. God, I can't get this off, but I can get this off. I can get this part off. Whoa. And I'm gonna put this part back. Keep dropping stuff. So I'm gonna put it back in my case. Wait. 2 pop sockets in one. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share with friends if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.